How to use Microsoft PowerPoint in Microsoft 365. Want to wow your audience? PowerPoint in Microsoft 365 gives you all the tools to design stunning slides, add animation, and present like a pro. Let's discover how to transform ideas into presentation that truly stands out. Launch presentation or PowerPoint online. How you can do it is by over here you can see a create new. For using templates, you have to go to the three dot icon and then there you can see PowerPoint. If you tap on it, you come across the main PowerPoint over here. Here you can see many templates that you want to use. There are varieties of designs, creative, photo album, triple planning businesses. What type of design you want to present can be searched over here. If you want a blank page, then you can always create blank presentation. Now your presentation don't just look good, they will grab attention and make your message unforgettable.